Hello, I welcome you to Biology True or False, part 49. Let's go directly to our quiz. Eukaryote possess a nucleus and a membrane-bound organelles. True. Prokaryotes do not have a nucleus to maintain their DNA. True. Generally, genome of eukaryotes is circular DNA. False. All living organisms use DNA as genetic material. False. A molecule that consists of a nitrogenous base bonded to the one carbon of the ribosome or deoxyribose is a nucleotide. False. The bonds that connect nucleotides in a strand are called phosphodiester bond. True. Uracil is similar to thymine except uracil lacks a methyl group on the carbon at position 5 on the carbon-nitrogen ring. True. With respect to the 3 and 5 ends, the two polynucleotides chains of a double-stranded DNA molecules are antiparallel. True. There are 3 hydrogen bonds between A and T pairs. False. Complementary base pairing rules means given one strand of DNA, the base sequence of the other strand can be determined. True. All organisms contain DNA that is roughly 25 adenine, 25 thymine, 25 guanine, and 25 cytosine. False. If a double-stranded DNA molecule is 30% G, the remaining 40% must be A and T with 20% of each. True. RNA is usually a single-stranded molecule instead of a hydrogen-bonded double strand like DNA. True. tRNA molecules play an important role in translation. True. All types of RNAs are translated to proteins. False. In transcription, nucleotides are always added to the 3 end of the elongated strand. True. Traits are inherited directly. False. Majority of traits are affected by one factor. True. Prokaryotes have a nucleus. False. A trait is a specific characteristic that varies from one individual to another. True. An organism with a dominant allele for a particular form of a trait will sometimes exhibit that trait. False. When alleles segregate from each other, they join. False. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology True or False. This has been part 49. Let us meet again in Biology True or False, part 50. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.